Well, hello guys, and here today on Rusty Glovebox, what we're doing today is we're going to install these Grote headlights on the Studebaker. And I've had personal experience with these lights before. We used them at work and had them on our haul truck. So anyway, they're a real strong, durable light and should be perfect on the Studebaker. Well, we're getting ready to tear into the Studebaker, and just wanted to kind of show you the difference of the appearance of the two lights. It's got a really good reflector, high impact lens. It's got aluminum back. It works as a heat sink to dissipate any heat, and it comes with the plug that you need to install on your vehicle. It does not come with the plug to install on the new Jeeps, but you can get an additional harness for that. On this Studebaker, it's much like any other, classic car, custom car. I've got 3 screws on the ring that hold it in place. Hopefully with a little luck I don't have anything that's stripped out or busted. As you can see, this just plugs right into your original harness. Each one of these buckets, they have like 3 dimples in here, and the headlight has some corresponding dimples that match up to it. On my vehicle, the headlight retaining ring, this split is at the bottom. Well, it didn't take much at all to get the headlight in. Of course, it's supposed to just be a direct fit, and it really is. It's got a completely different look to it. And once again, there's the halogen versus this light, and I think it's a nice addition. We've got our new plug on there. Fits very tight, which is good. Position our wiring back there. Let's see, yeah. And there we go, got it installed. I had checked the headlights and adjusted them. They were off a little bit. And so probably a little later tonight I'll go out on a little run and see how they do. May need to adjust them again, see if anybody gives me the high beams or not. So anyway, looks like we're done for today. So anyway guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today, and let's get those Grote LED headlights installed. So y'all have a great week. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.